In previous classes, we learned data, frequency, tally marks, bar graph, pie chart, pictograph, representative values, mean, median, mode we learned. Today, we are going to discuss revision of data handling. Here, representative values. We have three types of representative values. We have three types of representative values. They are first one arithmetic mean, second one median, third one mode. So we have three types of representative values. They are arithmetic mean, median, mode. Now let us discuss about the arithmetic mean. The average of data is also called arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean is nothing but average of given data is called arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is also called as a average. So already we learned in previous classes, we know the formula of average. Average or mean or arithmetic mean is equals to sum of observations by number of observations. So here average or mean or arithmetic mean all are same. The formula of average or mean or arithmetic mean is sum of observations by number of observations. Here the arithmetic mean always lies between highest and lowest observation of given data. So the arithmetic mean always lies between the highest and lowest observations of given data. When all the values of data set are increased or decreased by a certain number, then the mean also increase or decrease by the same number. If the given data increases by a number, then mean is also increased by the same number. If the given data in the data, if an observation is decreased, then the mean also it will decrease by the same number. Here average. Average is nothing but arithmetic mean. So we know the formula of average or mean or arithmetic mean, sum of observations by number of observations. The mean is always lies between highest and lowest observations of given data. If the values, when the values of data are increased or decreased by a certain number, then the mean also increase or decrease by the same number. Let us discuss about the median. Median is the middle observation. Median is nothing but middle observation of given raw data when it is arranged in an ascending or descending order. So median is nothing but middle observation of a given data when we are arranging the data is in an ascending or descending order. Here when the data has n number of observations, if n is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th observation, and if n is even, then the median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation, nothing but average of middle two observations. Now here median is nothing but most middle term of given data when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. If the data has n number of observations, then if n is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2th term. If n number of observations is even number, then median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Next, mode. Mode is nothing but most frequently. Frequently means a repeating value. So mode is nothing but most frequently occurring value of a set of observation is called mode. Mode is nothing but most frequently occurring value, most repeating value, most recurring value is called mode. For example, Raju is last year 2018-19 batch. He completed 9th class. Most of the times he got first rank in his class. Then what is the mode of first rank of 9th class? Raju. Why? Raju is got many times first rank. Then Raju is coming for very frequently to get the first rank. Then Raju is a mode. So which the observation we are getting repeating, recurring, then the observation is called as a mode. Here earnings in rupees of a vegetables in a week are 200 rupees, 150 rupees, 180 rupees, 300 rupees, 160 rupees, 170 rupees and 170 rupees. So find his average earning per day. So we have to find the average earning per day. So they given earnings total week they given. As a day they given, so we have to find out the average of earning. We have to find out. Solution: average is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. So sum means nothing but we have to find out the total earning. We have to find out. So here total earning, nothing but we have to add these daily earnings. So first 200 plus 150 plus 180 plus 300 plus 160 plus 170 plus 170. So it will be total 1330 rupees. Now we got some of observations we got. Now number of observations. So number of observations, nothing but the vegetables earning in a week. Week is nothing but 7 days. So number of observation is 7 days. Then now we have to find out the average earning. Average earning is equals to sum of observations by number of observations. So here sum of observations are 1330 rupees by number of observations are 7. Let us cancel these. 7 ones are 7, remaining 63, nothing but 7 9s are 63, remaining 0. Then average earning is 190 rupees. So therefore average earning of vegetable is 190 rupees. Find the median of the data, given data, that is 48, 49, 15, 20, 28, 17, 14 and 10. So you should find the median of given data. Solution. First, arrange these observation in ascending order. So arrange the observations in ascending order. So the ascending order is smallest to biggest. First is 10, after 14, after 15, 17, 20, 28, and then 48, 49. 48 and 49. So here total how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations are there. So here number of observations 8. Now you should take the middle observations. So let us first cancel the extremes. 10 and 49. After that 14 and 28. After that 48. 14 and 48. After that 15 and 28. Then remaining are which terms? 4th and 5th term. 17 and 20. 17 and 20. So middle terms are 4th and 5th terms. Middle terms are 4th and 5th terms. They are 17 and 20. Now we are getting 2 terms. Then what we should do? So here to find the median, we have to find out the average of these 2 numbers. Now median of 4th and 5th terms. Median of 4th and 5th terms. Nothing but average of 4th and 5th terms. Average of 4th and 5th terms. Average is nothing but 17 plus 20 by 2. Sum of observations by number of observations. Now 37 by 2. Let us cancelize it. 2 ones are 2. Remaining 1. 2 8s are 16. Remaining 1 point. Nothing but 0 10. 2 5s are 10. Then median of given data. Therefore median is equals to 18.5. Yeah, the median is 18.5. So if here number of observations are 8, then we got middle 2 observations, we got 2 observations middle. So by taking 2 observations, we have to find out the average of their observation. Then you will get the median 18.5. find the mode of the given set of numbers. So these are the set of numbers. For this set of numbers, we have to find out the mode. The set of numbers are 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 7, 3, 2, 1, 7 and 3. So solution. Here, first we should arrange these numbers with the same value together. So arrange the numbers with the same value together. With same value together we have to arrange. So first same values. First list from least we will write 1. After that 2, how many times? Here and 2 times. So 1 is completed, 2 is also completed. Next go for 3. 3 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 3 is 4 times. We should write 4 times. 3 is also completed. And next 4. 4 is only 1 time. And next 5. 5 is also 1 time. 5 after 7. 7 is 2 times. So like this, the given set of numbers we should write. We should arrange the numbers with same value together. Then we can identify easily which is the mode. So here, which is the repeating value also we can identify easily. So here 1, it does not repeat it. Okay, 2 times. 3 is 4 times repeated. 4 not repeated. 5 also not repeated. 7 is repeated 2 times. Then which number is occur more frequently than other number? 3. 3 is occur more frequently than other number. So 3 occurs more frequently than other observations. 3 occurs more frequently than other observations. Therefore, mode is equals to 3, which is repeating more frequently occurring value, that is called as a mode. Then here 3 occurs more frequently than other observation, then 3 is a mode.